Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Hum's Flatter Me Fiber GLP-1 Booster, marketed as a gut health and weight management supplement that works by supporting GLP-1 hormone activity. GLP-1 is the same pathway targeted by weight loss medications, but this supplement uses fiber-based ingredients to naturally encourage fullness and digestion. After trying it, we experienced reduced bloating and improved regularity. It helped control appetite slightly, especially when taken before meals. While it won't replicate prescription GLP-1 drugs, it does provide a natural push toward better digestion and satiety. Pros: good fiber support, noticeable appetite control, improved digestion, clean and natural formulation, and easy capsule form. Cons: not nearly as strong as prescription GLP-1 drugs, requires daily use for consistent results, can cause mild gas in the first week, and premium pricing for a fiber supplement. We think Hum Flatter Me is a solid option for natural digestion and satiety support, but expectations should stay realistic. It's a helper, not a miracle. This has been How to Learn. We keep things smart and simple and scam free.